Hi, this is Tom from Line 6 Australia, and this is part 3 of our PodGo tutorial video. In this video, we'll be exploring snapshots and how they can create different tones from within just the one patch we created earlier. Snapshots enable you to save and recall parameter changes within your existing patch. So instead of pressing maybe multiple foot switches, you can create one button to do all of that for you. If I access snapshot 1 by pressing the two left-hand buttons here, you'll see a camera icon that shows me 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, any changes I make will be affecting number 1. And again, I can change different things for number 2, 3, and 4. So you'll see the camera icon shows 1 here. For example, a very simple snapshot would be I wanted to change maybe the echo and the drive on simultaneously. Now, if I save that now, that will be number 1. Now, if I go back out to number 2, I can then turn both of those off at the same time. So I go back out here, turn those off, and you'll see the camera icon too. I press save. So now in the two snapshots, you shall see on the display when I click number 1, both the delay block and the drive block will come on. And when I click snapshot number 2, they will both go off. Now, the snapshot mode is incredibly powerful. It is not just simply for turning effects on or off. I can actually go deeper into the parameters. So I'm going to go to number 3 now. I'm going to go back out. I'm going to add my delay. And I'm also going to add my tremolo. Now, if I look into my amp mode, what I can do is now change the speed of the tremolo by pushing down and turning. And you'll see in brackets here, the number goes to a white, which means that I'm in changing just this snapshot. So I want a quicker tremolo pattern here. And also on my delay, I'm actually going to make the time a little bit longer here. So I have to push down and turn, and now this goes white. So that means it's just for this snapshot here. So I'm going to save that now. So now if we go back to the snapshots as before, number 1 turns on the delay and the boost. Snapshot 2 is without those. Snapshot 3 turns on the delay and the tremolo. And so finally, we're going to move to snapshot 4. And all I'm going to do is turn the tremolo block on and actually reduce the rate. So from snapshot 3, we're going to have a faster rate with the delay on. And if I click to snapshot 4, it's going to go down to a slower rate. So here's snapshot 3. And now I click to snapshot 4. So, of course, you can get very experimental with the snapshots and create a huge different palette of tones from one single patch just by using snapshot mode. So that was part 3 of our PodGo video tutorials. Thanks for watching.